dog trainer. I didn't enjoy school, but I learned a lot in spite of myself. Not playing is not an option. That's not the way I was raised. But had I known that I was going to become a business owner and run my own businesses, I might have paid more attention, might have learned more, but none of that mattered to me back then because from a very young age I knew what I wanted to do with my life. Any ideas what that was? Baking. Actually, I wanted to be a rock star. So that's what I did. Out of high school, I went on the road and I spent 10 years touring North America with various rock bands. And it was a lot of fun, performing live 6 nights a week, but it was also a very hard life. Anyone who's been on tour knows that it's not always easy. Got a couple of musician friends here today. So if people used to ask me how I stayed so slim, well, when you can't afford to eat, that's pretty easy to do. So it got to the point where I wanted a home. Between tours, I didn't have a home to go back to. I had to go back to my dad's. I couldn't afford my own home. I wanted my own home, I wanted to eat, and I wanted a dog. So I got a job. I played with the band on the weekends, and from Monday to Friday, I worked for Crown Courier here in Kitchener. And it was a great job. I did that for 7 years. Lots of exercise, running big parcels in and out of buildings. My office was my truck, so I wasn't stuck in an office. The staff and the employers were fantastic. It was good money, so I really enjoyed the job. But about 7 years in, no accidents, which is amazing. But the road rage started to kick in. So, okay, time to move on. Time to get off the road. So I'm trying to figure out what I could do with my life that I would enjoy doing. I didn't want a job, I wanted a career. And I was turning to make a delivery at Mitchell Animal Hospital. And as I pulled up in front, it hit me, it's the dogs. I'm going to work with dogs. I'm going to be a dog trainer. I decided that moment I'm going to be a dog trainer. So what did I know about dog training? Squat. I knew nothing.